Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you quick and easy steps to registering for Costco's newsletter to get better deals. Now first off, you want to go to the Costco website and you can use whatever browser of choice you want. You want to click on the first link where it says Welcome to Costco Wholesale. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to their main page. And now you want to log in. Since I'm already logged in, do is navigate to the top right where it says Get Email Offers. Simply click on that link and now we'll be redirected to this page right here, and it says to enter your email address, membership number, and then also the Costco warehouse that you're located in. So let's say that we were located in Austin. So now whatever deals that we get on our newsletter will be tailored towards this warehouse specifically. And subscribing, and I hope you saved some money. Thanks for watching.